I'm done spending an obscene amount of money on takeout.
Good evening, everybody. How y'all doing? Hopefully everybody doing well. I'm trying to figure out why this thing is doing that. Trying to figure out why it's doing that, but soon start acting crazy. The Fed's watching, man. Y'all see what happened to my computer yesterday? Oh my God. I promise you the Feds is watching. What is going on? Check. What is going on, man? Can anybody hear me?
I can hear you.
Something is going crazy. Something going crazy with my Zoom. Something is going crazy with my Zoom. Yesterday in the middle of the Zoom, the power in the whole house just flashed. It ain't rain, it wasn't rain, it wasn't doing nothing. All the power flashed. And then when the power flashed, I couldn't get my Zoom to work right. And now here it is, a total different day, and it's still doing the same thing. Whenever I try to, it gives me an error saying virtual background loading, don't use video or use video. Virtual background is still loaded. Start video anyway, use video, don't use video. And it won't do. Anyway, all right. I'm not gonna try to think about it right now. All right, man. Welcome everybody. Let me go ahead and just share my screen so it ain't just a black screen that says Tim. All right, so welcome everybody. If this is your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbits, please allow me to say welcome. If it's not your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbits, I still want to say welcome and give you a nice hearty thank you for always tuning in to Tim's Tidbits. If you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., aka Aranya Grande. That's just Big Spot if you don't hablo Espanol. And you're now in tune to another episode of the Intraday Price Action Recap. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it because I have a lecture to do at 7 p.m. to do. So let me bring my trading view over to this window so that y'all can see it. Today, did price do anything that caught anybody off guard? Before we get started, I always like to afford people the opportunity to, ask a question if price did something to catch them off guard, right? Or if price did something unexpected, I like to give people an opportunity to say, hey, Tim, hey, help me break this thing down, man. I was expecting price to do this and it did that. So here's your opportunity to let me know. Let me shout out to people who in here, man. I know Jim was in here. I heard Jim say that he can hear me. We got Deborah up in here. We got Sarah up in here. Kim. We got Valentine. Hola, Valentine. We got Felicia up here. What's going on, Felicia? Got here to learn and share up in here. And of course, we got Honey. What's going on, Honey? Let me see. That's all I see. That's all I see. So ain't nobody pulling up saying price caught them off guard or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get into it, man. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Let's get it started. Let's get
I can't see your cursor there.
Let me turn on my cursor. Let me turn on my fancy dancing. Wait a minute. Got to go start it up. Computer was turned off. So now I got to go start it up. There it is.
Yep, that's much better.
All right. Yesterday, I think I was about to, I can't remember when the power went out. I said, hey, let's go up. It's a new month. We've started a new month. So let's go up to the monthly chart and look at what we're doing. And how did we get to the daily? How far did we get? I can't. Do anybody remember how far we got yesterday before the power blinked out? Did we get to the daily? I remember saying something about the monthly, us coming down to the monthly discount PD arrays, right? And neither here nor there, right? So we came down to that monthly PD array and we got a nice reaction off of it, right? I remember saying that I don't anticipate this SIBI to send us back down, right? Because this SIBI was created inside of this efficiently delivered area here. So I'm anticipating this on a monthly basis just to become an inversion to take us up back to that high, right? An inversion to take us back up to that high. Right? Because when we came down, breaking structure, right? Price quickly reversed and went higher, right? It didn't displace through the structure, giving us a fair value gap down here, right? That's why I'm not anticipating this to push us down, okay? Buy program still intact on the monthly. Now, I like the fact that we engage this monthly buy side and retreating off it, right? I like that. Why do I like that? Because when you're studying order flow, right? When you're studying order flow, you want price to continuously tip its hand to you, show you what it wants to do, right? So we're starting out this month, right? We're starting this monthly candle, right? How did we, can somebody tell me some, let me do this right here because I be needing people to talk to me. I be needing people to talk to me. All right. I'm going to post the Zoom link in the chat. The Zoom link is in the chat. I don't have my bottle of water in here with me. Y'all click on the Zoom link and pull up inside the Zoom because I'm about to be asking questions and I want people to talk back to me. So I'm gonna go get my bottle of water. While I'm getting my bottle of water, y'all click on that Zoom link and pull up in the Zoom and talk back when I say talk. I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. God, beauty, you know beauty. Go ahead, Latina, sexy, sexy, but sexy. Give me some milk, please, so I can get arrested by this daddy cop with his daddy cop watch and his daddy cop and his daddy cop, but ow, arrest me, but make it sexy. I'm back. Why ain't nobody pull up in the Zoom? Why ain't nobody pull up in the Zoom? Ain't nobody pull up in the Zoom. My feelings hurt now. My feelings are hurt. Y'all know what happened when my feelings get hurt. Y'all know what happened when my feelings get hurt. Blame yourselves. Here's today. My feelings are hurt. This is the first right here. That's what we started out the day there. So we start the day there near yesterday's high. Took out yesterday's high, pulled back into the fair value gap, right? Bodies of the candles respecting yesterday's high. Moved up, created a new high around 8:15. Just kind of hung out there, consolidated. We really consolidated all night. It was like just a bunch of consolidation. Once we got above yesterday's high, we just consolidated there all night, worked our way back up to a new week opening gap from the 24th after midnight. We came down, right? Took out some sell side. We actually took out buy side, took out sell side, came back, took out buy side, right? Bunch of back and forth, traded back down into an order block. Moving up from 4 a.m. up until 6:15, went up, made a high, pulled back down into the range, went up at 8 o'clock, set the buy side that I was watching. I marked that out. 8 o'clock, we dropped down, came all the way down, taking out the sell side, right? Didn't take out the overnight low, but we came and took out that sell side that we had been not taking, right? Dropped all the way down, took out that sell side here at 9:45. Then we reversed, went back up and took out the monthly high. That buy side that I was watching tapped the monthly high, pulled off of it, pushed up through it, then quickly reversed, dropping all the way back down below midnight into this bullish order block, hung out there working that order block for a while, pushed up into the 1145 SIBI, pulled back down below midnight, pushed up one final time into the 11:30 a.m. SIBI and the balance price range from the 1045 BISI, 11:30 a.m. SIBI, and the high of the new week opening gap. Then we came back down and at 3:45 gave up the ghost coming down, taking out the sell side, and then after the 4 o'clock close, we dropped down, taking out the overnight low. And that is your price action recap for today. I would like to thank you all for tuning in to another episode of the Intraday Price Action Recap. Asian Assassins, I'll see y'all at 7 for the lecture. Tonight, we're talking about IPDA price delivery. Until the next time, I decide to get on Al Gore's internet and share my thoughts on this thing that we call price action. It's your boy, Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., a.k.a. Aranya Grande. Y'all be safe out here these trading streets, man.